Best value for money cruise lines. If you make the right choices, a holiday at sea is frequently more affordable than a land-based break because lodging, meals, and entertainment are all included in the one fee. The following cruise lines based on a methodology that takes into account itinerary affordability. Facilities included in the base ticket, health ratings, and reputation among experts and travelers in order to help you get the most of your vacation budget. Visit the websites of each cruise operator for more details and think about purchasing cruise insurance for your vacation. #1. The best value cruise line is Virgin Voyages. Newcomer. Although Virgin Voyages may not appear to be the most economical option at first sight, it offers cruisers unbeatable value. All aboard meals, tips, Wi-Fi access, group exercise classes, and other amenities are all included in base tickets. When you combine those advantages with Virgin's continuing offers, you may get a premium experience for less money. #2 Carnival Cruise Line is ranked #2 among the best value cruise lines. Carnival is known for providing family-friendly entertainment at consistently inexpensive pricing. Itineraries costing less than $200 per person are actually quite common. The majority of the ship's activities are free to participate in, although some extras, such specialized restaurants and drinks, aren't included in the rates. #3 Celebrity Cruises is listed as the third best cruise line overall. Celebrity Cruises retains the service caliber of smaller lines while providing the infinite amenities and buffets of larger ships while having a fleet of only 12 ships. Itineraries to the Bahamas and the Caribbean cost less than $250 per person, and passengers may take advantage of onboard benefits like free room service. #4 MSC Cruises is ranked #4 in terms of value for money. Even if you have to fly to a foreign port to take one of MSC's few sailings from North America, you'll save money compared to booking a traditional European land holiday. The cost of a Mediterranean cruise can start at about $100 per person, and the line provides a number of all-inclusive options. Additionally, children under the age of 18 can sail for free. #5 Princess Cruises is ranked #5 in terms of value for money. Princess Cruises provides comparable rates to Carnival. However, Princess's 15 ships focus more on adult travelers, especially on longer voyages, whereas Carnival caters more to families. Fees also cover extras like free room service and events like culinary lessons and historical talks in addition to housing and certain meals. #6 Royal Caribbean International is ranked #6 in terms of value for money. Royal Caribbean is one of the biggest cruise companies operating in the world today with a fleet of 25 ships. The corporation can maintain low prices since each ship can carry thousands of passengers. In fact, vacationers can find itineraries for less than $250 per person in well-known Caribbean and Asian locations. #7 Holland America Line is ranked #7 among the best value cruise lines. 5-day Caribbean sailings on an upscale cruise line start at less than $300 per person, making it a really decent deal for travelers. However, saving money does not imply sacrificing quality of service. Holland America ships provide customized treatment, complimentary room service, and all-inclusive package alternatives. #8 Norwegian Cruise Line is ranked #8 among the best value cruise lines. In addition to its already competitive rates, Norwegian provides visitors discounts on Wi-Fi, excursions, wine, airfare, and more through its well-liked, regularly operating free-at-sea program. Additionally, Norwegian forgoes rigid regulations like dress codes and set dining hours, but charges a fraction of the price of premium lines. #9 Costa Cruises is listed as the 9th best cruise line overall. Costa Cruises, a member of the Carnival Group, is predominantly based in Europe. Particularly for its Mediterranean routes, the fleet provides lower rates than its rivals. Costa's ships are great for families, but they also provide a lot of adult-friendly attractions like theatrical events and casinos. In order to make an informed choice, I advise conducting additional research and reviewing reviews, travel forums, and fresh information, because prices, products, and customer experiences might vary over time. When determining the best value for your cruise trip, take into account your own preferences as well, including the destination, ship size, onboard facilities, and entertainment options.